everyone, welcome back. For today's mani, we're going to be using dip powders from Nellie Belles, and I'm super excited to share with you. This week, it's my turn as an ambassador to create a Belle Bundle, and here are the 3 colors that are in my bundle. The first one here, it's beautiful. It is called Denim Diamonds, and it is by far one of my favorite dip powders, and check out all that sparkly goodness. It is so pretty. It is the perfect denim blue with all that extra sparkle. And then we're going to pair it with Ryan, which is the perfect midnight blue, and it has a slight shimmer to it and it's super pretty. I really like this blue because it's not like that normal navy. It is reminding me of like the midnight sky. It's so pretty. And then we're going to pair it with When I Think of Home, which is a beautiful glitter. It is a mixture of white glitter and silver, and it's really beautiful and unique. And I really like how it has some irregular size glitters in there mixed with that fine glitter, and it really makes the blues in this mani pop. So here are all 3 colors that we're going to be using in today's mani, and all 3 of these colors are part of my Bella's bundle for the week. And we are going to be doing dip liquids today, and we are going to be dipping on my left hand, which I have jelly tips on. So we're going to dive right into this mani process, and we're going to start out using the color Denim Diamonds, and it is so pretty. All this sparkliness is going to hypnotize you because it is very, very pretty. And if you're not familiar with Bella Bundles, what that is that each week there is a new bundle that is released, and sometimes it's a duo or a trio depending on the ambassador, and the ambassador gets to pick the pairing. So that's super fun, and then it's another way for you to see colors that maybe you normally wouldn't pair together or get kind of like a mani inspo. But the best part is that these bundles are at a discounted price, which is super fun and awesome. So you could get the Bella Bundle either in a sample size or you can do a 0.25 ounce jar. So that's super fun. All right, so we're going to dive into this mani process, and then I will pop back in at the end.
till tomorrow. So won't you let me? So won't you let me? So won't you let me? So won't you let me?
I know you've been hurt, I know that you're trying. The boss is complaining, your phone's always ringing. Outside there's the cold wind, inside the monotony. Baby, we need an exit from this. Honey, we need that sweet release. I know it will feel them, the electric feelings. You and me all night, yeah, be alright. If you close your eyes, so close your eyes. Feel the sunlight, baby, we'll fly to Madrid. Wanna get away one night or two. Madrid, go outside, forget me and you. Fall in love one time, 2 times, 300 times. Wanna get far away, boy, I'm tired of the rainy days. Now I got you warmed up, tell me you see it, and I'll
right, we're just wrapping up the mani here, and I really like how this mani turned out. I think these colors pair so well together, and I'm loving all the sparkly goodness. So I will go ahead and link everything that we used in today's mani in the description box below. Now, if these colors were not your cup of tea, head over to Nellie Belles. She has tons of beautiful colors available, and you can even still get the past Belle bundles. So there's definitely going to be something that catches your eye. Stay tuned. Today is a double upload day, and I will see you in tomorrow's upload.